All right, so let's take a quick look at this game here. And what we're going to do is you can see here that, when we play this around here, the balls essentially bounce off one another, but we don't necessarily want that. What we want to do is we want the projectile to be destroyed. So let's hop into our ball blueprint here. And there's an easy way to do this. Now, there's a couple things that we could do here. For example, we could add in an event, and that event is going to be collision. Okay. Now, when this collision is going to say event hit. Okay. What that means is that when this is hit, then something will happen. So let's take a look at what we'll do here. So first things first is we will, well, let's just try this first. We'll just destroy actor. Okay. And then the target here will be the self, as you can see. So let's just go ahead, let's save that and run it, and you'll see what happens. Okay. So if we run it, play it here, and then, there we go. Things are good. But, and you can basically see that they all they all basically get destroyed here. So fair enough. That does work. It does work out quite well. Now the other thing that we could do, the other object here, in theory, we could destroy that as well. Okay, and what that means is while it technically worked, okay, so if you look back, what happened was is that when the projectile hit, the projectile also got destroyed. And that doesn't always happen. The only reason why it does happen or did happen is simply because we had that in the first person projectile blueprint. Okay, so if you didn't have that, then something, well, then it definitely wouldn't have worked. So let's go ahead, let's go back here, and let's go ahead and play it again. So we go, and that's basically it. Okay, so that is how you destroy the balls here. So for the most part, the only other thing that I think we're going to do here is we're just going to move this up, because what's happening is we're always walking forward. So that way we're just here. Okay, good. See you in the next tutorial.